The in-person workshop is your chance to apply all the tools and concepts you've learned from online learning to real-life situations. In other words, in-person workshops is all about role-playing. It's important to note that in a role-play, the person who learns the most is always the observer. So if you're an observer, give valuable, in-depth feedback. Here are some role-play tips to get you prepared. For one, remember that this is not an assessment of learning, but an assessment for learning. So make the most of this opportunity to learn peer-to-peer. Second, role-playing is often hardest for the first participant, but soon enough, the team will learn collectively. Third, the role-play is designed to be in a pressured situation. So mistakes are expected to happen, but don't worry, since this is all held in a non-threatening classroom environment. Fourth, apply the tools learned from online and identify if the situation is a transactional, a problematic, or a strategic conversation. Lastly, follow this structure when giving feedback. Comment on others' strengths, areas for improvement, and insights. Following these tips will help you and us in your formative assessment.